Hi guys, hope you're well. How YouTubers? Right, I just want to quickly give you guys an update with my company I've been promoting in the last, well, been 13 months now. Been very good. It's been a good little journey, and it's been building like clockwork. I've been getting good return on investments every 4 days. Pays 4 days a week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Awesome, and it's all working really well. At the moment, I am on $551 a day, so it's pretty cool. So it's giving me roughly about just over $2,000 a week. Absolutely awesome. I wasn't expecting this with this company. Love it to bits. And also the beauty about this company, if you don't like recruiting, you don't have to. You can build a team. It's entirely up to you. Okay. And also, if you don't build a team, for example, for a passive income earner, fine. You can actually create your own accounts within your own affiliate link, which is you probably say, what do you mean by creating my account with affiliate link? Well, what it is, you can actually sign up under your own referral link and create multiple accounts within the business. So basically, you're building income for yourself. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. I've done other videos on this, so obviously you're going to have to scout my videos I did on this a few days ago, not a problem. But it's working really well. I've got a nice big team behind me now. This is what I do. I build teams. I'm an internet marketer. And quickly show you my team. So this is my team. This is my first level, by the way, guys. People getting involved, making their return on investments, and it's growing like crazy. That's my first line, by the way, and my second line. I'll quickly go to my home page. Well, that's my first line. So my first line is 77 people. I've got good marketers in there building their business. Some don't refer. Some don't refer people. They just build their own accounts inside the business, as discussed earlier on. That's my first line. My second line in my first line, I've turned over $74,665. That's my first line. That's the turnover. That's the volume. Okay, guys. My second line is this one here. So the people who I got in, some members don't refer. Some people have done. They've done quite well actually, and they've turned over $461,000 of Bitcoin. So that's 814 people there, yeah, guys. So it's just growing. But this is where it gets interesting, this streamline here. Yes, this streamline here. This is virtually my third line, but really, to be honest with you, even when you're a free member, this builds up on autopilot. It really starts kicking in when you get to a certain level within the platform, and it's paying. I've turned over, this $66,388 and yeah, it's quite a lot of money, for volume. 77,000 people under me. All right, you probably think, Christ, that's a lot of people under me. Well, at the end of the day, probably about say a few thousand people are under me. Well, my second level here is 814 people, but what's happened is every time you sign people up, or when you become a member, the company gives you a streamline, even if you don't refer. You don't refer people. They give you this as a gift, okay? So basically, you're getting a little commission off this when you get to a certain level, okay, guys? Quite handy, very, very handy there. This just builds and builds and builds, okay? So basically, first in, and basically you start building a team behind the platform. So it's pretty spooky, I love it, But when you get to a certain level, this starts paying out as well as. When you first start, obviously it won't kick in, but when you get to a certain level, say if you've got $1,000 in the business, this will start kicking in. So you're getting commissions from this as well as. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. It's working very well, but guys, this company gives you a free platform for 30 days, and the minimum to get involved is $25 a Bitcoin. Very easy to get involved is if you go to your finance button here, and you're going to make a deposit. You need to make a deposit, otherwise your account will be removed for 30 days. It's giving you it's giving you a chance to get your feet wet, basically, yeah. So it automatically goes to $25 of Bitcoin, but my really advice, really, I'd say start off with $100. Just test it out, just test the water out, okay, guys. You calculate, and what happens is a little window will pop up here. That's a Bitcoin address you need to send the funds to. That's the amount of Bitcoin you need to send into this platform here. Once it comes through the system, it does take 1 to 2, 3 hours due to the blockchain, due to the traffic of Bitcoin, because it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. Okay. When you go to home page, what will happen is once you send the funds from your Bitcoin wallet, your exterior wallet, okay, it will be in this usable balance part here. Okay. So you need to add this to the actual Paraiba traders. Okay, so what you do, how you do this. Otherwise, what will happen is you have all this money here, your deposit, it's going to do absolutely nothing. So basically, you need to put this to work. So when you go back to your finance, what will happen is the window will pop up again. Your amount will be here, what you made a deposit, and it'll be allocated over to here. So basically, when you say use balance, when you use a balance, this amount here will be allocated over here. I can't really show it because I made a withdrawal yesterday. It needs to be reset, but I'm just giving you this for the video's sake. Basically, it goes deposit, and you make a deposit. It's got a little save button here, a little save button. You press the save, and it'll send you an email. It'll send you an email saying, you know, are you happy making a deposit? You go yes, and then you bring the code over to this window here. As soon as you make a deposit, or so, as soon as you make the code inside the box, it says save, and then it will be allocated into the actual platform itself. And what will happen is, if you look at my homepage here, scroll down, it'll be allocated here. And what it is, every 4 days a week, you'll be getting a nice little commission, okay, coming in. Lovely. You know, it's a chance to build a good little business. It really, really is. It's paying good passive income, you know, and also you can build teams with it, but you don't have to build teams. You can actually create your own sub accounts, as I said earlier on. I'll tell you what, in fact, I'll quickly show you my sub accounts actually. Quickly show you my sub accounts. Right, these are my sub accounts. So basically, I referred myself, okay, and I've put some money in the company, and that's my main account, okay, that's my main account. $1,000, another $1,000, another $1,000, and I've spread it, okay. So this has given me a good return on this. I've done this myself, okay, all right. I've got some little accounts here. I haven't put any deposits in there, but I'm going to kind of put, say, $25 or $100 and probably give those to a couple of members of mine as a gift, okay. That's the beauty about it, guys. You can actually give accounts to your new prospects as a gift, you know. And this just creates. And if you're, you know, I'm a, internet marketer. I do build teams, but it's quite nice to actually get that little bit of extra, commission coming in. Yeah, okay. And as I said, these accounts here, if I can say to my new prospects, okay, you know, if you're happy to come into the business, I can give you as a gift. And what will happen is, if I quickly go to my home page, automatically as a free member, okay, they will get this building in. It automatically be coming in. So yeah, so basically it's worth, you know, when you get to a certain level in Paraiba, it starts kicking in, but it's a gift. So the more streamlined you get, the more money you can make when you get to a certain level, okay. And it's a good little way of getting new prospects coming in. All right, but the first you need to do when you actually do come in the business, you need to do the KYC. KYC is very, very important. It safeguards you, it safeguards the company. Okay, and the company is regulated. It needs to be, because it's a bank as well. Let me quickly show you. It's a bank as well, a Paraiba bank. Okay, does investments, stocks and shares, just like a normal bank on the high street. Okay, and also we have got our own exchange as well, a Bitcoin exchange, well, cryptocurrency exchange. You know, you can actually buy a crypto from them. You know, but you need to do it through Paraiba. Okay, once you do the Paraiba, you do the KYC, you'll get a link to this. It links it up to Paraiba. Okay, and you can buy a Bitcoin from there. But at the moment, if you're a new member, you have to buy a Bitcoin from another one of the other providers. But this is a good way of. I actually use this to actually make a withdrawal. You know, it's absolutely instant. Boom, straight into my exterior wallet. Happy days. Love it. You know. And let me quickly show you my withdrawals before I end this video. I go to my finance. You can see my withdrawals: 551, 558, 5. See, it's every, yeah. See what I'm doing? I've been taking money out, okay, and every now and then I'm kind of put a little deposit in, okay. All right, so it just gives you an idea. I'm taking my money out every week, every day, but every week, Sometimes invest, sometimes I don't, sometimes I buy traffic with it, or sometimes I just, obviously it's my wages, my wages. But it's not bad, guys. It's, £2 grand a week, happy days, yeah. And notice these figures here, it builds up and slowly, it just builds and builds and builds, Excellent. Anyway, guys, if you're happy with this video, great stuff. Reach out to me if you want to come into the business. I don't mind helping you, not a problem. My link will be below this video. And any questions, any answers, please leave a comment in the YouTube chat box, or you can get hold of me on Facebook. All my links will be below the video. Just send me a private message, not a problem. And I don't mind sending you a video. I don't even mind doing a Zoom call with you, actually, to be honest with you. And we can just go through it and how you can earn a good passive income with Paraiba. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really, really appreciate it. Take care, guys. Bye.